Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question guess number higher or lower. The question number is 374 and the question statement is we are playing the guess game. The guess game is as follows. I pick a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. You call a predefined API named guess which returns three possible results. I will explain you the statement. Don't worry about that. It will return -1 if your guess is higher than the number I picked, that is number is greater than pick. 1 if it is lower than the number I picked, and it will return 0 if it is equal. Okay, I will explain you with an example. It is our example. So n is 10, right? I pick a number from 1 to n, right? 1 to n. So between 1 to 10 we will pick a number. Okay, it is a game. It will pick a number. So assume it picks 4, right? Now every time you guess wrong, it will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than I guess. And how it will tell? It will call a API, that is guess. It will return -1 if our number is greater than pick. It will return 1 if number is less than pick, and it will return 0 if the number is equal to pick. Okay, so my number is 4 and pick is 6, so 4 is less than 6, right? So according to this it should return 1, right? Now it will return 1. So what we need to do, we need to return the number I picked, so we need to return 6. So how can we solve this question? So basically it is binary search. Like we can do one thing, we can make a middle is equal to 5, middle of this number 5. It is our list and it is our highest. It will return 1, this one, because 4 is less than 6. So now we can understand that when we will give this 5 as an input, when we will give 5 this as input, 5 is also less than 6, so it will give 1 because 5 is less than 6. We can say that our answer is between 1 to, our answer is between 6 to 10, right? Because 5 is less than that number, so it must be greater than that number. Yes, it is possible. It can be 6, so this number will be in between 6 to 10. So we can change our middle to middle plus 1, and we know where we do it. It is basically a binary search. Now we will search again in this number 6 to 10. Now middle will be 8. Now we will give 8 as input. It will check whether it is higher than that pick number or lower than. It is actually greater than 6, so it will return 1. Now we will search between 6 to 8, sorry, 6 to 7. So now it will return 6. Now we will check for 6. Yes, it will return 0, so we will get our answer. Basically it will be our logic. So here it is our function. Now it is middle. First we will initiate with 0, list is 1 and the highest is n. Now this function, this while loop will run with the condition list is lower than or equal to highest, and we will find this middle for the overflow. Like if we will do list plus highest by 2, there may be a overflow, there may be an overflow. That's why we will use like this, lowest plus highest minus lowest by 2. And if guess, this is our API which will return 0, -1 or 1. If it will return 0, it means that middle value is our answer, so we will return middle. If it will return -1, it means it is higher, this one condition, this condition. So we will do middle -1, and the left condition is for the middle equal to 1, guess middle equal to 1, so we will do middle plus 1. And in the last one time we will get the middle answer, that will be that picked value, so we will return middle. Here also we will return middle for other cases. Now let's run the code. Thank you, it's done.